We're recording. Go on then. I think they'll be quite stable, Cal, to be honest. But you're going to have to get either side of that lock. Yeah, turn it out. Go on, give it turned. Yay!
Watch the fucking battery fucking run out.
Don't matter, there's a spare one.
I know, but not between my legs there ain't.
Wave!
The pissing the sends me laughing.
Go on then, give it a spin on.
I've got a spin on.
Give it flat out, all 3 mile an hour of it.
Bastard.
You gotta join the 2 wires. Just to all of them who wonder what we're laughing at is the batteries run out and the switch for it is right underneath. The 2 little green wires that are right near they're on the coin op.
Oh great.
Oh God. Them are 2, just squeeze them together. And it'll give you another 5 minutes. There you are.
5 minutes, I'm coming in.
Give a tramp on. Get to that side, look.
Here, you sit down here.
No, I weigh a bit more than you. Oh, it'll be alright with Baines in them though, Cal.
Yeah.
Hey, your bum's about an inch off the water.
I am.
Get it spun round then. You've got 5 minutes to kill now.
Oh, in there, Captain. What we're going to do, go up to a boat and get Dennis in one.
What?
In these.
Get him down the river?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think you're a bit too big for it.
No, I'm not.
Don't you? Get it turned, otherwise you're going to whack prop, aren't you? Want some bins to test about.
Fucking have a shit.
The bumper boats, Carl, watch it when you bump it, you know. Watch it, lad.
I'm watching it.